Somewhere in America, there's a home by the sea, powered by the wind on the plains.
Warning, warning, this is not a test. At 9:51 this morning, an incident has occurred in the cartoon show, Dandy Tales. The incident happened because of a swear word. At this time, due to unknown events, the character, Gigi, has warped into reality. The people of Chicago are ordered to stay at home until the situation has been resolved. Warning, warning, this is not a test. We have received information about the character, Gigi. She is hostile, she can explode people's minds, resulting in death of the victim. Cartoon Network has contacted the founder of Dandy Tales about this accident. The U.S. military and the Chicago Police Department has been deployed to assist in this situation. Here are some safety measures for this time. 1. Don't get near her. Getting near her will result in death. 2. Call for the help. Calling 911 is the best option for this time. 3. Stock on supplies. Go to your nearest store to get supplies. This is all of the information we have. This alert has been issued by the request of the Chicago Police Department and the U.S. Armed Forces. This is an all-clear message. Gigi has been terminated by several military and police units. I repeat, this is an all-clear message. Everyone can exit their homes now. Normal programming may resume.